Hi, Kiara. Where are we today? We're at the new Rainforest Cafe, which is located in Festival City Mall. Shall we go and see what's inside?
Yeah.
Come. Look, Kiara, here we have a shop.
Hello,
Look at
everybody.
this.
I'm Tracy Tree.
Look.
Rainforests are home to people too. One of the best known tribes in Africa is the Pygmies. They are small people, rarely over 4 feet tall. They live on different types of animals, but also collect fruit, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food. The women collect nuts, roots, and wild mushrooms.
Wow, and what's this, Kiara? We have a big crocodile. Did you say hello? Come and say hello. Come and say hi. Wow, look. Is it a crocodile, Kiara? Yeah.
They all live with me here in the rainforest.
Which animal is that? Oh wow, look, it's a gorilla. The gorilla sitting in the corner, all nice and happy. Fishes! Hi, fishes! Kiara's excited to see lots of fishes at the Rainforest Cafe. Look at that. They're beautiful.
Let's go see Cheetah Maya. May what is name this one? Sorry. What is name this one?
Look at this, Kiara. What do we have here? Wow! Is that exciting, Kiara?
Tuki, the small elephant.
Look! Everyone has a name, Kiara. All the animals have a name. Look!
The gorilla.
Are you excited? Look, there is a moving. Is it moving?
Thunder and lightning every 30 minutes.
Oh wow, that's exciting.